Well, ahead of the earnings season, as you mentioned, let's have a look at the companies that in which insiders have bought or sold shares. So, firstly, what does insider trading activity include? It includes buying and selling by promoters, directors, key managerial persons, their immediate relatives, employee trust, and by employees. So, we tracked nearly 118 companies for the month of March, and insiders have bought shares in nearly 61 companies and sold shares in nearly 57 companies. So, firstly, the top 10 companies where the insiders have bought shares. Dhani Services, the promoters and the employee trust have bought nearly 2.6 crore shares. In JSPL, the promoter has bought nearly 72 lakh shares. In Indiabulls Housing Finance and in Nuvoco Vistas, the employee trust and the promoters have bought shares of nearly 60 lakh and 11 lakh. Now in Maharashtra Seamless, Shriram Transport, the promoters have bought close to 11 lakh shares. In Firstsource Solutions, employee trust acquired nearly 8.2 lakh shares in the month of March, while in Grasim, Distilleries and Sandu Pharma, the promoters have acquired nearly 6.4 to 6.7 lakh shares in the month of March. Now let's look at the companies in which insiders have actually sold their shares in the month of March. Firstly, in GMR Infra, the promoters have sold nearly 3.8 crore shares in the month of March. Then in Infibeam, in Geojit Financial, the promoter, that is BNP Paribas, has been selling nearly 21.6 lakh shares in the month of March. And then if you see in Sequent Scientific, the outgoing MD of the company, or the director Manish Gupta, has sold nearly 9 lakh shares. In CG Consumer, the MD and CFO have sold nearly 8 lakh shares. In Ugar Sugar, the promoter has sold nearly 3.2 lakh shares. And other than that, the remaining companies, that are Tanla Platforms, in which the employees have sold shares. In JSW Steel, it's the employee trust, and in Navin Fluorine, it's the promoter that has sold nearly 2.3 lakh shares in the month of March.